In this video, I'm going to look at the differences between Pro Affiliate and a basic affiliate account within Legendary Marketer. Hey guys, so today I just want to quickly go over the differences in Legendary Marketer about the affiliates status. So at the moment I've just joined up as a basic affiliate. What that means is it doesn't cost anything. I can promote this program with no cost to me. And when you do join up as a basic affiliate, you get a hell of a lot of good information inside. So I'm just going to show you down here. Right, so it's in training that they give you as an affiliate. So you've got your welcome and overview these are all video courses, by the way. So you can go through these ones here, and then you've got all these videos on how to set up a sales funnel, introductions, why sales funnels work, brief click funnels overview. That's the one that they like you to use, but you don't have to. Editing, capture pages, so some good stuff there. And then this one here is email marketing automation, introduction, why you must tell a story, setting up your email, getting your Aweber account set up, but you cannot use any email system you want. I think I'm going to actually be using GetResponse. There's all sorts of good videos there, and then there's another full section here on running Facebook ads for Legendary. Again, a load of really good useful information, not just technical but helpful information on how to improve your ads. So that's what you get for free. You also get some resources here, which is terminology, an example of a bridge video script. If you don't know what a bridge video script is, then you would find that out in this section here. A follow-up series, checklist, there's all sorts of stuff there. It's all useful stuff. So I am actually going to upgrade to the Pro membership. Now if I click on here, you should see what happens. Oh, nothing. Current status you can see is basic. Go Pro, that's it. So this is just an explainer video by Dave. He's just going to tell you a little bit about the Pro advantages of being a Pro member. Right, so you can see down here, the basic 0 month, Pro is $29.95, so $30 a month. And the differences you get, you can see what you get here on the free. Sales funnels, phone sales team, track your leads, manage and track your customers, advanced customized reporting tools. So there's quite a few good things. Custom funnels, this is a big one, commission percentages you earn. So on the free you earn 10 to 30% commission. So on, let's say you sold the $30 Marketers Club package, which is a reoccurring one, I think that would work out at around about $9 a month you would get. Whereas if you're on the Pro, it works out at $18 a month you would get. Also, when you go Pro, apart from the higher commissions, you get to integrate your own autoresponder. There's additional streams of income, private traffic sources, and advanced affiliate training. So what I am going to do, I'm just going to move myself here, and I am going to upgrade my account now. So if I click upgrade account, I think my details are already in. Excuse me. Right, payment information. Yep. So we'll just click that. Order summary, blah de blah de blah. Buy now. And you can see, thank you, your order was successful. So I'm now a pro affiliate for Legendary Marketer. So if we go back to Legendary, just refresh that and let's see what happens. Current status rank. Hey, I'm now a pro affiliate. As you can see now, that's opened up a few extra things. I have no idea what these are, so you're seeing them the first time with me. Again, Dave will have an explainer video. He explains everything. It's such a good system, this. Such a good system. Right, extra income stream number 1. ClickFunnels. So, right, I'm guessing this is where I could put in a affiliate link. So, anybody coming through the system that I sign up, if they decide to take a ClickFunnels account, I would get the commissions for that. So, that's really useful. Get response, so I will put my affiliate link in here, and again, anyone coming that I manage to sign up, if they sign up through this Legendary, I will get that commission. That's Aweber if you use that, and SendLane if you use that, which I'm not using. Right, so that's good. Top earner training. Again, Dave's intro video. Right, so this is more training from various people. I'm gonna guess it's video training because it always is. Yes, I've seen one of Michael's seminars in the earlier training. It's really good. It's about story-based ads for Facebook. Anyway, we'll move on. What else do we have? Alright, some solo ads. Traffic for Me, Udemy, and iGo solo ads. Okay, so that's just a little bit extra. I think the main thing with a pro affiliate is it just gives you the better commissions. So that's it from me for today. I'm now going to get everything set up over the next week and start promoting this and earning a good living from it. Okay, don't forget, if you're interested in joining affiliate marketing or specifically Legendary Marketer, then there should be a link down below. If you just click on that, I've got a free ebook. If you download the free ebook, and there's links in the free ebook which will take you straight to to Dave's video, which explains all about how you can join, learn and make money, or earn as you learn, they like to say. But that's it from me. Okay, thanks guys, see you next time.